Hi, today I'm going to show you the ways that I've found to reduce the angle on a ramp so that it's easier to get equipment on the truck. Let's take a look. So I've got my ramp set up on the truck and I want to pull this piece of equipment up onto the truck. It's pretty heavy. It's like 200 pounds or more, and the way it's set up here, the ramps are just too steep to pull that up very easily, and it even wants to kind of slide back down while I'm working on it. So I'm going to try and find a place where I can pull it up onto the truck with a little less of an angle on the ramps. So here's a spot that'll work pretty good because I can back the truck up right to the edge of the driveway here, and the truck will still be low. It won't go up a hill to get to the driveway, and that way the tailgate would be much closer to the driveway and I can get the ramps at a much easier angle. Okay, I got the ramp set up here on the truck at the end of the driveway. See, the truck is much lower than the driveway, and so the ramps are much shallower of a pitch to get up with that piece of equipment. Let's give it a try. Okay, well that loaded up pretty easy. That's a good spot for loading and unloading. This spot will work good for loading the riding lawnmower too. I just need to separate the ramps a little bit and ride it right up there when I need to use it. Okay, I'm up at the work site now and I want to unload the compactor off the truck. I got the ramp set, and the truck's pretty level, a little higher on the front and a little lower in the back because of it's sinking a little bit, but I'm not so much worried about the angle of the ramps on the unloading because you're just sliding it down them, you're not pulling it up. So let's see how it goes. Okay, that was pretty easy peasy. When I go to reload this onto the truck, I'm going to move the truck to a lower spot. The unfinished road is roughly 6-8 inches below the finished road, and so if I back my truck up here, I'll have that 8-inch advantage on the ramps. As you can see, I got the truck parked a little lower than the compactor, and so that gives me a little advantage on the ramp there to pull it up a little easier. Okay, so I got the compactor back home and unloaded, so let's give the riding lawnmower a try. Alright, the lawnmower should be easy loading with the ramps at that angle. Okay, here I am on the North 40 ready to unload, and I found a little bit of a hill here to work on, but one of the problems with a hill is the back of the truck is partway up the hill and the front of the truck is down the hill, so you end up with the tailgate being just about as high as it would be on flat ground. Well, there's a couple of ways to deal with that. Let's take a look. So what I've done here is I've taken a couple of blocks and planks and I drove the truck up on to that plank. You can use car ramps too, and that brings the back of the tailgate down a little lower, so you got a better angle on your ramp. But the way I like to do it, I'll show you. Okay, now that I got those holes dug, let's drive the truck into it and see how that works for lowering the tailgate. Well, as you can see, that got the tailgate considerably lower to the ground. One of the main reasons for getting the tailgate lower to unload this lawnmower is because that mower deck, even though I have it in the high position, if your ramps are too steep, that deck can catch right on the edge of your ramp and push it right off. And the front of your tractor's already out here, and down you go. But I think this will work because these ramps are a little lower, better angle. Let's give it a try. Alright, I got the lawnmower unloaded. I'm ready to do some mowing. That's all I got for today. Be safe out there. See you next time.